Hey guys, absolutely beautiful day here today and quite excited. I know I've said it pretty much every day, but I think today is the day we're going to crack the shape, and then hopefully once we crack the shape and we can get it all looking the same, then we can get on with the exciting bit of making the actual body panels and then getting closer to a finished piece. So let's get to it, let's go.
Hey guys, how's it going? Gabe here, welcome back. I think the body's really starting to look like something here, and I can really start to see the potential. At first the car just looks like the Michelin Man, but every time I cut bits off, it looks more and more like what I've got in my head.
Right, so the plan today, this side look exactly how I want it. And then I'm going to copy this side over with the contour gauge. Hopefully that will give me an exact copy of this side to that side. Might even be finished with the foam shaping today. I don't think we will, because I've said that every day, but fingers crossed. So looking at the original, or the actual car, it looks like the bottom actually only comes to here.
So I think I'm going to chop it off. Here I'm just using the electric foam cutter just to chop some more off elsewhere. I can't count how many times the wire broke on the wire cutter, and it takes so long to put back together. Over the years of doing many different projects and trying different hobbies, I found that I get bored really easily. So when I do a big project like this, I'll start one thing, do it for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then I'll move on to something else just to keep it fresh and exciting. So that's what I've done here. I've chopped off a load of foam, and now I'm going to shape the body a bit more by using the saw and just hacking away at it. I never really have a plan when it comes to big projects like this. I'll research stuff and I'll sort of roughly know how to do things, but I like to experiment and I like to try new things, and I thought the sheet of wood, that was on there was going to be good enough to make it all flat and everything, but actually I wasn't quite getting the shape that I wanted with the piece of wood, so I've taken it off. And then here I am putting a stake in the ground so I can run a line from the back of the car to the front, which will give me the center, because I've basically just been guessing where the center is, and it was a very terrible idea and has made things a lot harder than it needed to be. A rough line of the curve of the wing-y bit. I don't really know what you'd call it. I guess probably the wing. And so I just wanted to build it up a bit more, so that's why I've just done that little line, and then I'm just going to build it up with expanding foam, which I will then obviously cut away later. Cool. Thanks very much for getting to the end of the video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!